Are you feeling frustrated with your study habits? Are you putting in the time and effort but not seeing the results you want? I totally understand where you're coming from. But don't give up just yet. I want to share with you some tips that really changed the way I study and helped me improve my results. So grab a pen and paper, because these tips are about to change the game for you. First, let's tackle the biggest and most frustrating problem: understanding versus memorizing the material. How do we actually do that? Introducing the SQ3R method: survey, question, read, recite, and review. This method will help you truly understand the material, instead of blindly memorizing everything.
First, skim through the entire topic. Don't write any notes yet. Just take a highlighter and mark the learning objectives, subtopics, important points, and any pictures or graphs that stand out. Use one color for subtopics and another color for important points. This first step is crucial for two reasons. One, it helps you identify which parts of the chapter are important, saving you time and energy. And two, it helps you understand the flow of the entire topic, making it easier to remember and connect all the concepts together.
Next, question yourself. After studying a particular section, write as many questions as you can for that section. This will help you understand and retain the information better. Then, read the section again, find the answers, and paraphrase them. Writing is always better than typing for active recall. Finally, use the ask and answer technique. After every section, stop and recall all the questions you've written before. Don't continue your study session until you can answer every single question. This technique is called active recall, and it's the most effective way to remember information. So there you have it, folks, the SQ3R method, the ask and answer technique, and the importance of active recall. Give these tips a try and watch your results improve. Happy studying!